Hey everyone, today I'll demonstrate how to use Quicken Deluxe on two computers. Let's dive in. Step 1. Install Quicken Deluxe on the primary computer. Visit the Quicken website and download the Quicken Deluxe software. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Step 2. Set up your Quicken data file. Launch Quicken Deluxe on the primary computer, create or open your existing data file containing all financial information, and ensure it's saved in a location accessible by both computers, like a network drive or cloud storage. Step 3. Transfer the Quicken data file to the second computer. Locate the data file, copy it to a portable storage device like a USB drive, and connect it to the second computer. Step 4. Install Quicken Deluxe on the second computer. Visit the Quicken website, download the software, and install it. Step 5. Open the Quicken data file on the second computer. Launch Quicken Deluxe. Choose to open an existing data file, browse to the location where you saved the file from Step 3, and open it. Quicken Deluxe on the second computer should now have access to the same financial information as the primary computer. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.